Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today we're going to talk about how to find Windows 10's Spotlight lock screen pictures. Let's dive in. First, click View in File Explorer. A folder options window will appear. Click the View tab in it. Select Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives and click Apply. Then go to this PC, Local Disk, C, Users, your username, App Data, Local, Packages, Microsoft.Windows, Content Delivery Manager, CW5N1H2TXYEWI, Local State, Assets. You'll be presented with a plethora of file names that make absolutely no sense and show no extensions. Copy the most recent large files to another folder as pictures. Rename the files and add the file's suffix .jpg to the end of their names. You should now be able to view the pictures in any image viewer or editor you want. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.